Okay, I'll be walking you through how the Katpult AI platform works. What you need to do is you need to log into Katpult AI. Once you're here, you can come to get started. Click on the get started button. Continue to log in with your Gmail ID. So this is how the dashboard looks for Katpult AI. This dashboard will walk you through how to set up your website for the blog automation. So you can come here, come to my websites, and to click on new setup. Once you're in the new setup page, you can actually enter a website URL for the demo. Take this. Drink another, search in your brand. Probiotic drink. If you have a blog page, you can actually click on blog, add your blog page. So this helps us actually read your existing blogs and create new blogs in the same tone and language. For brand context, you can include the kind of tone and voice that is relevant for your users, how you want your brand to sound, whether it's casual, formal, technical, or data driven. You can add those details here. So just mention it here. The brand is make this as long and elaborate as you want. For the purpose of this demo, I have kept it much shorter. Then you click on continue. Over here, what is happening is that we are reading your website, we are reading your blogs, we are understanding your tone and voice, who your ideal customer profile is, what are their pain points, and basis all of that, we are figuring out what are the content pillars that will be relevant to your blog. Here, as you can see, the ideal reader is somebody who is a health-conscious consumer, particularly those interested in functional beverages and natural health solutions. They are likely young to middle-aged professionals who prioritize their well-being. And then you can see some of the biggest frustrations mentioned: fatigue and low energy through the day, stress and anxiety, etc. So these can be edited or removed if you think it's not relevant. So here you see that it has identified some of the keyword pillars. So functional beverage for energy, natural ingredients for wellness, healthy drink alternatives, science-backed health solutions, mind-body connection to nutrition, and some of their competitors. So we'll quickly check this drink holy walk. Okay, so this looks like it's a relevant brand. That is their competitor. So yeah, let's say finish setup. So now it's reading your entire sitemap. Yeah, so your setup is done. This is a one-time setup and you don't need to keep redoing this again and again. So once this is done, continue to blog wizard. So here you will see different blog articles that you can write, and also you can see your existing blogs. The reason you can see it here is because we will not repeat the same topic, but we will create blogs which are similar to them or in that universe. So this is one of the blog topics suggested by Katpult. So beyond the buzz, unpacking the actual science of prebiotics for gut health. So I don't like this part, so I'll just remove that. And yeah, that seems like a good topic. So if you're not happy, you can actually look at multiple different blog topics here or generate new ones. And then click on generate blog. We are researching a topic, we are structuring the blog so that there is we meet the SEO frameworks. Then we're optimizing it, we're finalizing and formatting. So there's the meta descriptions, meta title, etc. that will be put in place, internal links will be put in place. And yes, looks like we have created an interesting blog. We've got the blog topic here. We've got this section which is like a quick overview of what is part of the article. Um, this makes it AEO compliant as well, so that LLM platforms like ChatGPT or Claude can also find these sections. Uh, so, what exactly are prebiotics? The mechanisms beyond the gut. What is the science behind prebiotics? Pre versus probiotics, and what is another's difference? Like, what is this brand bringing to the table? And some FAQs: can I get enough prebiotics for my diet? Are there any side effects? And then, of course, a bunch of references have been given. Um, and then a quick summary. Prebiotics are special fibers that cell feed beneficial gut bacteria, leading to the production of short chain fatty acids beyond digestion, etc. etc. So, this is your blog that's ready. Then you can look at the SEO over here. You can see the topic, you can see the tags, your metadata, so your meta title, meta description, the slug, the excerpt. So this is all relevant to SEO, so or AU. When you publish it, you also need to ensure these things are added to your blog. And then we go to publish. So you can connect any of your CMS platforms to Catpult. And once you do that, you can actually uh, save it to your draft or schedule it for later or even publish it. So hope you found this walkthrough interesting and easy so that you can actually set it up for your brand. You can always reach out to us at shikha at katpult.ai and we're happy to help you set this up for your brand.